Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Wheel of the Last Toll in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to the side of the map. This is at the west of the Demonis Castle. If you don't have this side of the map unlocked yet, just line up the map cursor on the center of the castle and near the letter E of the word Demonis in the map. When you're in this location, this Housewell's faction quest should be added in your quest trackers. The quest starts when you interact with this person. After the short dialogue, a new quest marker will be added on your map. All you need to do now is go to the quest marker and defeat this boss. After defeating him, you have the choice to not finish the entire quest line since you'll still get the weapon without clearing the camp. This is a two-handed weapon that comes with 25 attack, offensive abyss gear, and on its 4th level of refinement. It's one of the weapons you can get if you want something that feels unique. And that is how to get the Wheel of the Last Toll in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.